Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Jobber for a cleaning business. So, first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Jobber. And then you have this first website, so you just have to tap on this one. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then right here, if you don't have an account yet, then you just have to sign up for one. Okay, so you can also activate the free trial, and that's what we are using right now. Now, what is Jobber? Jobber is an all-in-one software that will help you to manage your clients, schedule cleaning jobs, send codes and invoices, and track your team. So basically, it runs your entire cleaning business in one application. So now, how you can actually use it? So you have to set up your clients. So first thing you do in Jobber, you have to add your clients. Okay, so just go here to the client section. That's right, and then you just have to tap on the new client option. Okay, so you have to add your client's name, address, contact number, and you also need to save important notes like gate codes, cleaning preferences, pets or special instruction. So this basically helps you to deliver consistent service every time. So you just had to add your new client right here. Okay, so their primary contact details and then the property address. So you have to enter the primary service address, billing address, or any additional locations where services may take place. Then after that, you just have to tap on the save option. Okay. The next one is to create your codes or your estimates. So before you get a job, you have to create a code. So deep cleaning like 2,500 pesos. So that's how it goes. So just go here to the code section. That's right. And then just tap on the new code. Okay. And then you just have to add services like regular cleaning, deep cleaning, add-ons, window, carpet, etc. And then you just have to send it to the clients for approval. So for example, I'm just going to have it right. Regular cleaning. Okay. And then for the client, you just have to select your client and then code number. That's right. And then here you just have to name this product or service. So you just have to select your the name of the product or service. That's right. And then for the price, so for example, let's say 2,000 pesos. Then you'll be able to see the total right here. Then if you would like to add line item, so you can do that as well, and you'd be able to see here now the total amount. Now for the contact disclaimer, this code is valid for the next 30 days, after which values may be subject to change. So you can add the description right here, and if you want to leave an internal note for yourself or a team member, so you can also add that right here. Okay, so once you're done, you just have to save this section. Okay, so just have to save the code. That's right. So Jobber lets your clients approve codes online, and it's super professional. So you just have to send this email. Okay, so the next one is to schedule cleaning jobs. So once approved, you just have to go to your calendar. Okay, so just simply go to your calendar or just go here to your schedule. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and then just have to set the date and time and then assign a cleaner or yourself. So, for example, clients approve for tomorrow. So, here just have to select here new job or new task. So, I'm just going to add new task right here. That's right, and then just have to give this task a name or a title. So I'm just going to name this one as cleaning. And then for the client name, so just going to search for clients. I'm just going to select this one once again. And then again, add here instruction. And then for the schedule, so you have that right here. And then for your team, you just have to assign your team. After that, you just have to tap on the update option once you've finished filling out all of the required fields. So you'll be able to see here now on your schedule section. And then, of course, you can also drag and drop to reschedule. Okay, so for example, let's say for next day. So you can also drag and drop it right there. That's right. So you can set recurring cleanings weekly or monthly. So Jobber can automate recurring bookings. So you can you can don't redo schedules every week. Next one is to assign and dispatch work. So if you have a team, you can assign jobs to cleaners. They'll see job details, location, instructions. So Jobber can even suggest the best route to save time and fuel. And of course, you can also use the mobile application. This is very important for you or for your staff because they can view the daily schedule, okay, and then follow the checklist, mark jobs as complete, and then upload photos if needed. So every time is in their phone, so there will be no confusion. And now to send invoices and get paid. After cleaning, you can click to create invoice. Okay, so let's go to the invoices section and then tap on the create invoice or import invoice data. So I'm just going to create a new invoice. That's right. So after that, we're just going to add here the details of the invoice. So I'm just going to select this client and then the name of the product or service. So duct cleaning. That's right. And then I just have to add here the amount. So again, like around 2,000 pesos. And then here you can see the total. Then after that, you can send it via email or SMS. Okay, so we have that right here. We have send as email or collect payment. So clients can pay online, use card or bank transfer. So Jobber also sends automatic reminders for the unpaid invoices. Okay, so again, Jobber helps you stay professional. You can send reminders your cleaner is on the way, notify when a job is complete, and keep all the messages in one place. So this builds trust and reduces missed appointments. You can also track your business inside Jobber. You can see earnings, completed jobs, and team performance. So let's go to our insights. Okay, so let me just discard the changes. So here you'd be able to see your overview. So you'd be able to see your new leads, new requests to convert the codes, new one-off jobs, and etc. Okay. So again, you just have to actually try the free trial first, so you can do experiment, and then after that, you can upgrade your plan. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.